Hello everyone, welcome back to day 14 of 25 days of calligraphy magic. This is Elaine of Ellie Makes It, and today we will be making DIY scroll place cards. For this we will require a ruler, a pencil and eraser, a pair of scissors, pointed pen or brush pen and ink. I'll be using gold leaf gilding glue, and you'll require an old brush for applying the gilding glue. Please do not use your good brush, as the gilding glue will damage the hair on the brushes, so make sure you use an old one. And lastly, calligraphy friendly paper. And with this we come to the end of another tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. And if you don't have gold leaf, that's totally okay. You can just use gold paint to color the edges. And if you don't want to make fancy scroll place cards, that's fine too. You can just make simple rectangular place cards, and they will definitely elevate the look of your dinner or your tea party. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. And if you create something, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Ellie Makes It. I would love to see what you create.